Never invest in something that you do not understand, no matter how profitable it may be. Mga kapatid, ladies and gentlemen, when it comes to investment, I'm very conservative. I'm very careful when it comes to investment. Parating kong sasabihin sa inyo, number one, pag kayo po ay mag-i-invest, may bagong investment po, may bagong produkto, may bagong investment na plan, never invest in something that you do not understand, no matter how profitable it may be. Kahit malaki ang pwede mong kitain, kapatid. Pag hindi mo naintindihan, huwag mong hawakan, huwag mong pasukan. So minsan, ito nga, may katanungan tayo, di ba? Ligtas ba ang investment na ito? Kung mismo ikaw ay nagdududa. Di ba?
Confident ka, di ba?
Oo, kung mismo ikaw ay nagdududa, ba't ka nandoon? Di ba? Ako naman, I cannot make that assurance. Why? Number one, hindi ko kilala yung kumpanya. I cannot guarantee for that company. Di ba? Mahirap po kasi. Number two, I never endorse any company or any products. Hindi ko gagawin yan. Ang trabaho ko lang, I always teach people the principle. And after that, pag tinuruan ko kayo, kayong pipili. Ang pinakamasakit niyan kasi ganito, kung ako ay nag-endorse, let's say nagkamali ako ng endorsement, at tinamaan po yung ika nga nag-invest. In the end of the day, ang masisisi po, hindi yung nag-invest. Ang masisisi, kung sino nag-endorse. So, very important, I'm going to equip you and empower you, but ultimately, you make the decision.
Thank you for watching. If you want to keep on growing and to stay inspired, subscribe and hit the bell button to get notified. Always think positive.